power on off, semi-automatic or automatic switch, reset, air pressure gauge, pedal 1, pedal 2, filling speed adjustment, material sucking speed adjustment, filling volume adjustment, and its display, air controller. Okay, first step to connect the electricity wire and the air pipe. Also, make sure that your air compressor is on and the max pressure is 0.8 ampere. Second, to regulate the air pressure. First, turn on the green-blue hand slid valve. Okay. Pull up. Yes. Pull up and turn it as long as the air gauge is 0.6 ampere. 0.6. Counterclockwise smaller and clockwise bigger. Okay. 6.6. Okay. Then push to lock. Step 3. Turn on the power lead. When it shines, it's turned on, and then press the reset button. Remember this: if something goes wrong, just press this button, reset button. And step 4. Here is you see this, the filling volume adjustment. When it shows 5, 6 like this, it means our biggest filling volume, and you can't regulate it to 650 like this one. It's wrong. It's beyond our filling volume. And here is how to adjust, how to set your filling volume. You fill your material into a bottle and check the weight on a vial. And when you get a red volume, just remember the figures on the display, this one. And the next time if you want to fill this volume, just turn the display to this figure. Okay, step 5. I will show you automatic mode. Okay. Okay, and then semi-automatic mode. Pedal 1 to control node 1. And then pedal 2 to control node 2. And step 6, I'll show you how to adjust the filling or material sucking speed. Okay. Okay. This is smaller than previous. And then we will regulate it faster. See? Get the idea. And then faster. And the same, okay. And the same as the material sucking speed. It's also the counterclockwise smaller and the counterclockwise bigger. Okay, this end.